So, what's it like to have a Model T license?
It's wonderful.
Exhilarating.
And we got ours.
Great time.
And we were, all three of us were at Henry Ford Village, Greenfield Village, and rode in a Model T. And the guy there said, and this was like 3 weeks ago, said you gotta go to Gilmore and do the Model T driving experience. That's why we signed up. And that's why we came, had a wonderful time. Thank you.
There you go, bud.
I got my Model T license today, and I'm excited to move forward with what I can drive now that I know how.